Are you having trouble hearing your iPhone alarm? In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily change the volume of your iPhone alarms. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, at the top of the page, you'll see an option called Ringtone and Alert Volume. So this is your alarm volume. If you have it set like this, you won't hear your alarm when it goes off. You can move this slider to the right, and it will increase the volume of your alarm sound. You can leave it at the middle or go all the way to the maximum volume so that you can hear your alarm sound loud and clear, and you can also hear a little sample of what it's going to sound like. You also have the option to change with buttons. If you have this toggled on, then that means your alarm sound is going to be the same volume as your iPhone's volume. If you have your iPhone set to silent, you also won't hear your alarm. So what I suggest is that you toggle this off so that you can have separate volume for your alarm sound and your iPhone's overall sounds. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.